Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're making a frequency table and histogram. In this data set, we have the weight of some tuna fish, and as you can see, the smallest value is 117, the largest value is 512. So it might be a good idea to go up by hundreds. So our first interval can be 100 to 199. Our second one, 200 to 299. Our third one, 300 to 399. And then 400, 499, and so on. So then we have 5 intervals, and that's going to give us 5 bars on our histogram. So that's a good number to have. You want to have between maybe 5 and 10 bars on your histogram. And you want to make sure your intervals are always of equal range. So these are all 100. Okay, so now for the frequencies, we simply need to count how many of our data are between 100 and 199. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 data for our first one. Then there's 1 in the 200s, 4 in the 300s, 3 in the 400s, and 1 in the 500s. So we have our frequency table. Now we're going to go ahead and make our histogram. So let's make some axes. Then maybe you want to use a ruler to help you. First on the vertical axis here, we're going to go from 1 to 4 because our frequencies range from 1 to 4, so we only need four lines here. So there's our first one, second, third, fourth. And now we're going to make our bars on the horizontal axis. And I'm going to have 5 bars, so I might as well use the ruler and make them all 1 centimeter in width. And remember, in a histogram, your bars are always touching because it's continuous data. So I'm going to place my ruler. First bar goes up to 3. Second bar goes up to 1. Fourth bar goes up to 4. And so on. They're all touching. And there's my final bar. It's a little bit fat. Let me fix that. Okay. So there's my bars. Now I'm going to include a title, the weight of the tuna, and I'm going to label my axes. There's the frequency. And on the horizontal axis, I'm going to label my intervals. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay. So there's all my 5 intervals, and label it. That's the weight in kilograms. And one more thing over here, I'm going to put in a scale for my frequency, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you can clearly see that. And make it a little bit prettier, and there you go. That's how you make a histogram.